Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing really well. So guys, I'm really excited for today's video and I think this is one of my favorite videos that I'm making. So today I'll be talking about my favorite quarantine food slash snacks. So as we all know, we're in quarantine again, and during this quarantine I have been trying different kinds of foods and snacks. So I'm going to talk about the foods and snacks that I'm loving the most these days. And I also wanted to tell you guys that I'm a big time foodie, so I love to try different kinds of foods, cuisines and snacks. So just gonna share what I'm loving these days with you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I want to talk about is this garlic bread from English Oven. So basically this is one bread that I recently discovered. I've had different kinds of garlic breads, but this one I started having a month back. So basically this bread is not very big in size. It comes in small circles, and how I personally like to have it is I sometimes have it in my breakfast also along with the omelette or salamis, and sometimes as a mid-meal snack only one bread. So I like to take the bread, add some cheese spread or any spread I like, sprinkle some oregano and chili flakes, and that is how I like to have it. And trust me guys, it is delicious. Okay guys, so the next thing I want to talk about is this garlic and herbs cheese from Mother Dairy. So guys, I love this cheese spread. I basically am a big time cheese lover. I love to try different kinds of cheese and have them at my place. So the reason why I like this cheese is because it has a touch of garlic in it, which makes it even more delicious. The combination of cheese and garlic is just amazing. And second, how I like to have this cheese is I like to spread it on my bread. I like to take it as a dip also sometimes along with my omelette or salamis or any type of fried snack also I have. And trust me, you can use this as a dip with anything and it makes it 100 times more tasty. I just love this bread. Okay guys, so the next thing I want to talk about are these chili garlic potato bites from McCain. These are fried snacks. So all my friends who come over and the people who come over to my place generally, they know how much I love these snacks because I always love to serve these snacks whenever people come over. It's always on the table, and I've probably tried all kinds of fried snacks, all the varieties, but this is one of my favorites. Okay guys, so the next thing I want to talk about is a beverage. It is this Tadka Chach from Mother Dairy. This also comes in the bottle, but I believe that the bottle one is more salty, so I like to go for this one. It is much more tasty. And secondly, I personally believe that having ghar ki lassi and ghar ki chach is more healthy, but I don't like to trouble my house help all the time, so I find this one to be an easier alternative. Okay guys, so the next thing I want to talk about is something that I make at my place. It's basically a yogurt bowl. So what I like to do is I like to take a yogurt, whether from Mother Dairy or Epigamia, and I like to put it in a bowl, add some curd in it, add whatever fruit is available, whether it's mangoes, bananas, add some nuts, add some flex seeds, and put it in the put it in the fridge for some time and then have it. It tastes delicious, and trust me, it's very healthy at the same time. So this is my breakfast most of these days. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about are these different choco chips and sprinklers that I got. So number one are these chocolate sprinklers. Number two are these chocolate choco chips, like choco chips. Then these colorful sprinklers, and lastly these white choco chips. So how I like to use them is that I like to sprinkle them on my desserts, my yogurt bowls, or any type of ice cream that I'm having, and it makes it so much more tasty. Okay guys, so the next thing is this piri piri sandwich spread. It's actually over, and this is another spread that I love a lot. I've been having this since years, and how I basically like to have it is it's actually a sandwich spread, but I again like to use it as my dip also. I like to have it with sausages, salamis, chicken nuggets, any fried nuggets, even the potato bites I showed you, or if I make a hot dog or a sandwich at home, I like to put it. And trust me, this one and my cheese spread are my favorite dips and spreads. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is this Italian seasoning. This is a seasoning I discovered a while back. Before using the Italian seasoning, I always used to use my oregano and chili flakes. Now I actually like the combination of chili flakes and Italian seasoning. So oregano and Italian seasoning, they are actually almost the same, but I personally believe that this is more flavored, and a bit more spicy, I guess. Not spicy, but a bit more flavored. I will get my oregano also, but this is a new seasoning that I discovered and I really like. Okay guys, so the next thing is this garlic chili spread and dip from Viva. So when I spoke about my favorite dips and sauces, I forgot to mention this one. It's a newfound favorite. So basically, I don't like to use any other sauce except my cheese or my tandoori and peri peri mayo as my spread. But this is a sauce that I like to use as a dip. So how I use it is basically, I take 1 spoon of cheese and side pe half spoon of this. And whether I'm having my salamis, my sausages, omelette, chicken nuggets, any fried snacks, I love to use this combination. And trust me guys, it's heavenly. Trust me, just follow, it's heavenly. Okay guys, so the next thing I want to talk about is another snack. So if you have seen my April favorites video, you know how much I love soya sticks. So recently I started having soya katori. I used to have soya katori a long time back, but then I switched on to soya sticks. But recently I started having soya katori again and I really enjoy this also. It's a bit different from soya sticks, but this is also a very healthy snack. At the same time, it's very tasty. Okay guys, so the last thing I want to talk about is a mango smoothie. As we all know, it's that time of the year when we get the sweetest mangoes, and I love to have one mango every day in any form possible. So how I make my mango smoothie personally is, I like to use half cup of milk, a bit of curd or yogurt, whatever is available, and I like to get my mangoes sliced up and I put them in the freezer for half an hour so that वो बिल्कुल frozen mangoes जैसे हो जाए. And I use stevia instead of sugar. I use stevia. I avoid sugar as much as I can, and I put all of this in a mixer and I like to mix it. And after the smoothie is ready, I like to keep it in the fridge for 10-15 minutes just so it or becomes more chilled. And that is how I like to have my mango smoothie, and it tastes amazing. I substitute my mango smoothie sometimes for my breakfast, sometimes for my dinner, and yeah, I enjoy it completely. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. I hope this video was very mouth-watering and helpful. And I really enjoyed making this video. I'm a big time foodie, so sharing my food suggestions with you is something I would love. And I even decided that I could start a food series where every month I can share with you guys what I like to snack on or eat, or any food or cuisine suggestions or any restaurant suggestions. And I'm actually thinking I will start this edition as well. And that's all for today's video guys. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.